Yo, in today's video I'm going to share with you this awesome Boom 1000 index or Boom and Crash MACD spike strategy, where you can see I'm currently catching cool spike on Boom 1000 index, and I'm going to show you the full settings because it's a simple strategy that is combined with basic price action, MACD momentum to execute your trades. Let me give you some full dive in for this awesome strategy. Let's dive in now. As I say, you can see I even have a running trade on Crash 1000 index with this strategy. See, it's currently spiking against my entry. You can see, look at it here. Let me bring out my pointer a second, please. As I was saying, look at it here. We are currently catching a cool spike, and you can see the MACD and the volume are already showing downward momentum. Let me first of all give you the settings while we go on. If you look at from the main window, we have only two things on it. If you also check the window indicator one, we have two things there, the MACD and the momentum. What you need to understand, you just need to understand your basic current trend of the market. You need to identify which trend is the market. The market trading is an uptrend, or the market trading is a downtrend. Those are two things you need to ask to accept. After you understand whether the market is, if the market is in an uptrend, you will be looking for buy signals. If the market is in a downtrend, you will be looking for sell signal. If the market is not in an uptrend or downtrend, please avoid that trade with this strategy. If the market is not a trending market, please avoid trading with this strategy. This strategy is specifically for beginners that want to know how they can be able to always rely on the major direction of the trend to execute their trading decision. I repeat myself again. If you know that the market is not in an uptrend, please, or downtrend, don't take this trade with range market or any other market. Let's dive in now. See, this market continues spiking. As I'm talking to you right now, this Crash 1000 is currently spiking, and it's the same signal I gave in my VIP group. And let me show you my VIP group here. It's the same signal I gave some days ago. Look, this is the signal. Even today, I referenced the signal at around 10 a.m. in the morning. We are already in a deep profit right now with Crash 1000 index. That's to tell you that this strategy is a nice strategy, and you can be able to use it and catch a lot of spike trading the Boom 1000 and also Crash 1000 indices. Let me first of all give you the settings so that I can be able to give you some few guidelines of this strategy. For the settings, on the main window indicator, you have the moving average, parabolic stocks. What are the settings for the moving average and the parabolic stocks? We have the moving average is period 9, shift 0, method exponential, apply to weighted close HLCC/4, and labels, no labels. Style, you can use white. I use white. We may change it to anything, but I use white for the meantime. Then if you check your parabolic stars, you can see step 0.020, maximum 0.200, valuation all time frames. Your style is red. If you can be able to screenshot it so that you can be able to have the detailed explanation of the strategy. Then in the window indicator one, we have what we call Boom and Crash MACD. In the window indicator one, we have the Boom and Crash MACD, which is the MACD that will be used to be generating the volume and also the momentum. For the MACD settings, let me give you the settings for the MACD. Here are they. Fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9, apply to close. Main style, main green, signal red. These are the main settings you need to have for this awesome strategy. For the momentum, you have the period for change your momentum period to 21, please. Change the period to 21. The period is 21. As I was saying, the period is 21. Apply to close. Levels, no levels. All the time frames are intact. Plus the style is yellow. You can be able to choose any style you want of your choice. This is it. You can check. So you can also screenshot it so that you can be able to have a deep dive explanation of what you want and how you want to get it. This is Boom&Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help any struggling trader outside here and other to excel and make money consistently in the Forex financial market. Let me give you the two conditions you need to understand about this strategy. The major two conditions about this strategy are just two things. Number one, you must make sure you are trading this market in a trending market, either a downtrend or an uptrend. You can see, as I showed you here, I'm only trading the market on, you can see I'm only trading the market on Crash 1000 indices and Boom 1000 indices. See, this is Boom 1000 signal. You see, this is it. Make sure you are leveraging only the two scenarios, either the downtrend or the uptrend for Crash and Boom, please. That is the two scenarios for the spike. Also, you need to also understand there are some few things attached, which is the second condition. The second condition is your risk to reward, entry and exit. Where will it be your entry? Assuming you take your trade here around this level for sell. This is Boom 1000. Let's use for buy. Assuming you enter your trade, like I enter here, I should put my stop loss around here, and my take profit will be 2. Make sure you are using 1:2 risk to reward for this away strategy. 1:2 risk to reward. These are the only two conditions strategy. I've been backtesting the strategy for a long time. It has been consistent, and that was the reason I'm sharing with you now. Make sure you have done your own live backtest. You can backtest this on demo. You can backtest this anyhow you want to backtest it, so they can be able to be using it consistently. You have to make sure you backtest it and see the outcome of the result. The last bonus tip I'm going to give you: don't forget, I repeat myself, don't forget, make sure you are only trading this market in either an uptrend for Boom and downtrend for Crash. These are the only two scenarios I want you to use and understand how to trade with this market. Nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.